Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. Thanks for being here for this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you a little bit about Microsoft Excel and just some things that I find useful to know when working in Excel. And as I've mentioned in other videos about Excel, if you think there's got to be an easier way, generally it is. One of the tricks is knowing how to ask the question to find out how do you figure out how to do it in an easier way. So some of these examples I'll give, hopefully will get you thinking that way. So in the future, if you get stuck on something, ask. So the first thing is, right now I have 3 columns in here. And the first column just simply has my name in it. Now let's say I want to fill my name in down a bunch of cells. Well, you'll notice down in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a little square of this cell. If I put my pointer on that, I get a skinny plus sign. I'm just going to click and hold and drag down. So now I've taken my name and I've dragged it down. Let's do this a little bit different. In this case, I'm going to type in Anthony Holowitz. And let me do that real quick. Anthony Holowitz. Okay, so now I have it here. But let's say, just for the sake of our discussion, that when I'm typing something in like this, I want to put it in multiple spots. Well, let's say instead of just typing my name in a cell, and I'm going to take this out, I'm just going to go Control X and cut it out. Let's say that I want to add my name into multiple cells. I'm going to come here, click down. I'm going to start typing in Anthony Holowitz. Let's do my proper name. And you'll notice, although I selected all those cells, my name is not going in. Well, after I'm done typing my name, I'm going to hold the Control key down on my keyboard and press Enter. And it filled it all in. Let's do this. Let's come back here and let's type in my name again, but this time I'm going to do random cells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the Control key down. I'm going to go through and click on different cells in this spreadsheet. I'm going to start typing Tony Holowitz. I'll just do Tony H in a period. Again, I'm going to do Control Enter, and it fills in all those cells. So there's different ways you can enter information when you're working in Excel. And what really gets me thinking about this is that tax time, people might be categorizing some of their expenses in an Excel spreadsheet. These are a couple simple tricks on how you can enter information without having to type it multiple times. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.